get lost in Rome! This video was filmed a few weeks ago before we got robbed, when everything was still fine.
Right now we are home here in Germany, waiting while Daisy's doors and locks are getting fixed, and we're also trying to get some new camera equipment because ours got stolen.
An update about everything is coming next week.
After traveling to Rome a few years ago by car, we decided that's not a good idea, especially with a very special car like this one. So we found a gated parking outside of the city center, 10 kilometers. Right over there is a train station, and we will hit the rail and go to the city center by train.
We packed up our things and everything in here is secured and locked up. And for the next 4 days we will exchange van life to hotel life.
This right here is pasta amatriciana, and it should be one of the favorite foods from the locals here.
At least that's what he saw on TikTok.
And it's very good.
We are on an early morning mission today. Yesterday the city was just so packed because it was a national holiday, the Liberation Day. So today it's 6:30 and we will explore the city while it's a bit less hectic.
At least we hope so, because Rome is very popular among tourists and we hope there are not that many. Streets are empty, at least so far. First stop, the Spanish Steps.
And even though it's 7 AM, there are already people posing. This is how crowded it's already at 7:15. Didn't expect that.
Photo mission for this location failed. It's 7:30 and already packed. But it's actually not that full. We will just show you what it looks like in the afternoon. Walking around Rome almost feels like walking through an outdoor museum. The whole city is just incredible. There are so many sights to see.
Wherever you look.
Yeah.
At the Colosseum, it doesn't really matter at what time of the day you are visiting, because it's so big you can literally take a picture without others being in it at any time of the day.
We completely underestimated the weather. We got all of our jackets with us and it's very warm already at 9 o'clock. I think it's also because when we were in Florence, for example, we didn't have these jackets and it was so freezing, but this time we wouldn't need it.
Our initial plan was to go to the Vatican, which starts over there, and I think we've been there a few years ago with Felix, but this time they didn't allow him to enter. Oh, 15,000 steps and 5 hours later. I need a nap.
5 hours later, fully recharged, let's go out and get some dinner. I'm craving for some pizza.
Starting with dessert before dinner. Pistachio for Sven, vanilla for Felix. It's already gone, he's a fast eater. And chocolate and lemon for me.
Good morning and welcome to another day of exploring Rome very early in the morning. Every once in a while I like to check up on Daisy on this Where Is app from Apple, because we have an air tag in her. So I like to check her location and check if everything is fine. Yes, it is. There's no alert yet, so all good.
Our first stop is the Trevi Fountain, and it's crowded, but I guess it's always crowded. A little random fact, but more than 3,000 euros a day get thrown when you throw a coin inside. No. But you shouldn't drink it. So you can make a wish when you throw a coin inside. If you throw it once, you will return to Rome within your life. And if you throw another coin, you may find your love. And these 3,000 euros a day make up more than 1 million euros per year. There we go. I already found the love, so I will only throw once.
This thing is the Pantheon, and it was built around 200, so it's almost 2,000 years old. And when it was built, it looked exactly like the way it looks right now. And those columns, fun fact, they were made in Egypt at the time, and then they were shipped all at once to Rome. And these things are huge. And again, 6 hours of walking, 10,000 steps. Oh. Time for a break.
Good morning! What's literally the worst in a hotel is that there's always just one blanket.
It's not good, we want 2.
Yeah, we prefer to have 2 like we have in Daisy because I'm always stealing Sven's blanket. And then we have a fight at night. And what's also annoying is that there is no coffee machine in this hotel room, so we have to drink instant coffee. Go make some!
Okay.
Last breakfast before we leave Rome.
Very good one. There she is, we missed her.
And everything is fine.
Yeah. When I did some research where to park Daisy outside of Rome, there were many parking spots outside the city center that were rated very, very badly on Google Maps. So there were reviews that people break into the cars on a regular basis, and there's always like shattered glass around the whole parking lot. And this one was very good. So I can just recommend you, if you want to travel to Rome, to take this parking spot. So it's almost 3 days and we have to pay 18 euros for it all. If we would have stayed in Rome, this would have been like probably 80 euros, I guess.
More.
I'm so happy to be back with Daisy. Rome is amazing, and staying at hotels as well. We really enjoy it, especially the warm showers, of course. But just listen to it. You cannot hear anything. It's so quiet and relaxed, and Rome was just another level of stress and noise, and now we're back here in the wilderness, in the green, and we will enjoy our time here. We drove around 30 kilometers out of Rome, and now we're here in some kind of field. There's nothing going on, just a farmer with his tractor going over the field. I'm quite surprised that it's so quiet and relaxed just after that short time out of the city. But it's good for us, and I'm looking forward to stay here for a while.
Traffic jam at our new parking. Yeah! We are in the trunk! No idea how we fit in here. Felix, it's quite comfy in here, huh? Aua! So eine Scheiße!
Bulldozer! Don't break anything, please. Wow. Oh, very dynamic. 5 hours later, fully recharged. 5 hours later, fully recharged. Let's get out